Dude, what is that?
What? Oh my god, what the hell is that?
Oh, dude, look at this little thing. See this tiny little fish here? It's coming.
Oh, I see it. What's that?
Oh. About to get some tiny little thing. Watch, I'm not even going to pull this. I'm not even going to set this. Oh, no, don't be the catfish. It's a fucking catfish. Oh, god damn it. Yeah, I got it.
Fuck yeah.
Oh, god damn it.
Put him up on land there.
Fuck this.
Look at him. Got him. I didn't think you'd catch him.
I don't even know where I think I got him right on the lip, too.
Good.
Fuck.
He's
Yeah.
gonna be a little squirrely thing again.
I know. Dude, look at the duck's just sitting on that school.
He's really gonna reach in and grab it.
I'm trying to watch that. Oh. You gonna do it? I don't really like fucking with the catfish that much.
Right here, this is real quick here. Don't stick him. No.
It's gonna bite your ass.
Yeah, I know. What a shit. Slimy motherfucker, too. Come here, little shit.
Or you better get stabbed. One of the two.
Yeah. Open your fucking mouth, you little shit.
I'll go for the gills.
Come here. Come here. Thank you. God damn. Oh shit, stuck in place. This is a slimy motherfucker.
This little turd.
Little turd, yeah. Taking shit's bigger than him.
No cap.
No cat. No cat. Alright, look at him.
Go back home.
Get to it, boy.
See, I didn't want to do that where I just like picked him up like right there. Oh no! Where'd it go? I lost this little guy. I don't really want to catch that.
No, that's gonna be hard to get off.
There it goes. No, 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 no. I want to see where it comes up. What? It has like a rat's tail. Is that a... Homie's buzzing. This could just be a big fat rat. Dude, this could be a gigantic rat. Oh, there it goes. It honestly looks like a giant sewer.